Hello all, this is my presentation. The title is Efficiency Evaluating of Land Telephone Repairing Process, and the module name is Managing Professional Engineering Project, and I am J.c.s. and my supervisor is Engineer Sameera Bandaranaike. When it comes to the content of this presentation, it has an introduction, project aim, literature review, methodology, results and discussion, and recommendation, and finally it has conclusion and references. When it comes to this project, it focuses on efficiency of step-by-step land phone repairing process in Sri Lanka Telecom. Main reason is company face challenges in important necessary telecommunication equipment during COVID-19 pandemic situation. And that situation, company has to build a new efficient process to repair the telephones. And primary objective is this project is to assess the effectiveness of the land telephone repairing process. Then which considering the efficiency word, which means that efficiency which emphasize in engineering, this involves creating, designing and manufacturing products, and we can get maximum output from this efficiency evaluating landline phone repairing process. Then next we can see the project aims and objectives. First, project aim is project aim is to assess the effectiveness of the land telephone repairing process and pinpoint opportunities and enhancement. These are the project objective. First is to discern the project procedure to repairing the land telephone because it has a very old process. Then next one is to effectiveness of the current land telephone repairing process. And next one, the final objective is suggest the new efficiency, new new enhancements to enhance the efficiency of specific area. When it's come to the literature review, according to the research, my project research, fixing land telephone is often more cost effective option and replacing it. And is considering the efficiency is particularly important in enterprises and organization and individuals very own. Okay, then which and literature review emphasizes the importance of the landline telephone repair in encouraging sustainability and the decrease in the technological waste. Then finally which is which shows the literature review. It shown stress the technical expertise, cost effectiveness and environmental sustainability and dependability involved with the land phone repair. When it comes to the methodology, considering the methodology, this is a new process of and new process, and these red color boxes the new involvement of the new methods that include the telephone repairing process. First one is sorting the land phone, then these land phones and collecting the good condition land phones. Then if it is a if it is a damaged land phones, then if we disposing them. And next we can here identify the fourth one is checking the dialing mode switch and handset. if that dialing mode switch, if yes, then cleaning the exterior and interior and telephones. Likewise, if it is no, then checking the ringer circuit and the buzzer. Likewise, it it moves cycle way to end. Uh, finally, yeah, finally it's come to the keypad function testing process. Then if there is a no keypad function process, then we can replace the keypad. And after no replacing keypad, then we can change the PCB board of the telephone. This is the new methodology and new process of the telephone repairing process. uh, when it come to the results and discussion, these are the results and discussion. And this table shows number of tests that I have collect. I have uh, I have got the number of tests. We can again, first is test one. Test one, we can show the current process which spent 20 minute times for the current process. But when it's come to the new process, it's only get total time 15 minutes, because soldering component by component, which is minimize the 15 minutes total time. When it's come to test 2, current process is the same 20 minutes, but it's again reduce the time. It's now is 13 minutes, because embedded the components and after soldering. That is a method uh, the technician who used to efficiently get the final output of the telephone repairing. Then finally we can identify test 4, which only spend 9.5 minutes. That's the total time. Then which means that the reason is embedded the components and after soldering the circuit thin layer and get the help of another person. That is the main reason. If it is a if we can 9.5 minutes, we can finalize the cert or finalize the process. We have to get another one we have to get involvement from the another one, because uh, it's very efficient. But the thing is, it's very cost, because we have to pay for the another person for the help help him for the uh, new new process of telephone repairing. Okay, now the below table has current process and new process, which identifies the materials, and these are the cost of the both process. Materials change, materials cost is change, and power consumption is the same, but the total cost is change. Current process has 900, now new process has a 1100. That is the difference. It has some cost, but the thing is, it's very effective. These are the recommendations. First one is cost. First cost, we can it's get some additional cost to use the additional manpower. That's why we use additional manpower. Then it's get more cost. It's get some cost for the circuit. Then it which we can come to the quality. It's priority quality assurance during the production points. This include rigorous testing and hardware minimize the defect of the performance issues. The other one is research side of the this new process. Continuous, I think it's continuously research of this new process and vital to the drive efficiency improvement. This include the development of the new technologies, which using a research side. When it's come to the time is a more important one. Current process with the new process, is very useful and efficient to repair the land phone, and results shown that best method is the new process and finalize the telephone repairing. These are the conclusion of my project. Project aim is to efficiency of the Sri Lanka Telecom landline phone repair the process and identify the potential enhancements. Crucial this is across the industries like service providers, manufacturing, construction, and energy, and ensure the profitability and sustainability. Main reason is profitability and sustainability of the Sri Lankan telecom. Efficient repairing process can reduce the repair time, parts and replacement cost, waste, contribution of the environmental conservation, and pollution reduction. Finally, which concludes that the new process is the best way to repair the landline telephone, and the perfect distance between current process and new process time, because new process which shows the best results of the effective way to repair the landline telephone. Uh, these are the references. First, I mainly used and investigate the repair center and get the landline repair center of the SLT or PMC of the Nugegoda. Then these and some other sites as well I use for these projects. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.